Good afternoon, Happy Islanders. Welcome back to another episode of Happy Islander TV. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tabaco Terminal kung saan we're monitoring the situation of our kababayan, yung mga Catanduanes po na stranded dahil sa Bagyong Kristine. So, ito po, nakapila sila to get their lunch courtesy of PLGU Catanduanes. So, it's already 12:56 in the afternoon. At kanina nga yung pinakita nating video is ang ilan sa kanila, ang ilan sa mga stranded passengers dito ay na-transport na sa Tabaco National High School. At tinulungan naman tayo ng CDRRMO ng Tabaco City. So ngayon ito ang situation ngayon. So this is being distributed by DSWD personnel, and yung ration po ay coming from PLGU Catanduanes. So ayan po, meron silang chowking for today. So no, on previous days, I guess may mga pinadala na rin dito ng mga food packs, and tuloy-tuloy naman po ang supply. But then tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-increase ng ating number of stranded passengers coming from different areas na papunta ng Catanduanes. So ayan, yung pila, yung mabot na po ng ganon. So I guess it's more than 500 na mamaya may mag-i-interview tayo ng isa sa mga personnel from Tabaco City para malaman natin ang actual number of stranded passengers as of this time. So sa ngayon, ito po ang sitwasyon nila. Again, ayon po doon sa BFP na nakausap natin kanina sa in-upload nating video kanina, is that they already have transported several of our kababayans sa Tabaco National High School para and they are planning to transport everyone sa evacuation center as much as possible. So but then again, yung iba sa mga kababayan natin prefer to be here. So nasa discretion na ng city government ng Tabaco kung magpo-force evacuation sila in the upcoming days. So ayun po, again, ngayon is nag-distribute na tayo ng lunch para sa ating mga kababayan. Again, this is courtesy of PLGU Catanduanes, being distributed by DSWD Bicol. So yun pa nakalagay sa kanilang mga uniforms. So we'll get back to you for more updates here. I'll be staying probably for a few more hours para malaman, or we're gonna try to interview someone. Tingnan natin kung ano laman. Ang laman ng chowking is chicken. Chicken at isang rice. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much. Keep following Happy Islander TV. We'll be back to you as soon as we can regarding with the situation of our fellow Catanduanes here inside the terminal of Tabaco City Port.